Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. I greet you all. Today is the 11th day of February 2023. I want to give you my view on markets, technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave. So let me dive into the business of the day. Today's analysis might not be long because there's not too much to explain. Last week's analysis is still playing, so no time to waste on this very one. Okay, usually we start with DXY. So as you can see, here is DXY. So what do we need here? DXY, my bias remains up. My bias remains that we are going to get a new high. Okay, so I'm looking at 120, 122, and so on. So for now, I have no reason to drop it. Okay, so now we need to break this high before the buy confirms. I mean, for longer time trade, but checking 4 hours, the buy has confirmed when price broke this level. Okay, so that's when the buy confirmed. Now you can see we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 is developing. Once we get to wave 5, normal 5 waves, wave 5. Then we expect to get an A, B, C. Whether it will be double correction, I don't know. But after wave 5, we expect 3 waves down. Okay, so whether it will be deep, it doesn't matter. But what matters that after wave 5, we expect 3 waves down. Then the buying will continue, which will be a bigger one. This buy is small to compare what will happen after ABC. Okay, Euro USD. Euro USD, the same thing, they go opposite direction. So I will go back to daily charts. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So wave 5 is about to complete. After that, we look for an ABC. Okay, after that, the selling will continue. So the ABC might be deep, I don't know for now, but we're going to get an ABC after wave 5 is completed. So don't miss this buying, sorry, this selling. Okay, so USD CAD. USD CAD. On USD CAD, we still have some puzzles to solve. Daily charts suggest that we will have this drop. To confirm this drop, price have to break this low. Anyway, for me to confirm that sell down here, price has to break this low. Okay, so let's put things in proper perspective. Okay, so as long as this low is not broken, this drop may not happen. So let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, you see we have so many things here. How many bias we have? This is an impulse, which will likely make an A, B, C, then W, A, B, C, X, then Y. It means if this is impulse and this is correction, it means that we will get a little drop, which will not go below this place, below this zone, and the buying will continue. Then, if this is not an impulse, if this is part of correction, it means that we are making an expanding flat, which means this can be an A, B, C. The price will go lower. That is, we get correction from here, and price will go lower. That is when we will now have the reason to sell down towards that zone. But for now, we focus, or I will advise, avoid USD CAD now. If you don't know how to trade it, and focus on other things. So let's continue. USD CHF. USD CHF. Remember, my bias is that we have finished WXY. So the point is now, when will this Y terminate? Can it still go lower? So for now, let's go to the lower time frame. The lower time frame suggests that we have gotten the first impulse move. But just like our USD CAD, it can still go much lower. Or maybe let me do something. Let's watch for this channel. This channel will serve as confirmation. When this channel breaks, then we get the confidence that we are no longer selling. But as far as this channel remains, then we can see go lower. Or maybe this also another confirmation zone. So this zone, when price goes above them, that's when we will say that we are now selling, sorry, buying. Until that happens, anything can still, we can see experience something further. Okay, so let's price break these two zones. So let's see, let this line and this line serve as our commercial zone for buy. But now, here is my main bias is this. My main bias is that this is wave A, this is wave B. Then I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before the buy. So this is my main bias. This 2 is my secondary, my alternative. And if you count this is if you count it, you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe you count this as with 1, 2, then 3 here, 4, 5, which is A, then A, B, C. So once price broke this low, then the selling is confirmed. So selling here is risky because it can do this before doing this. So to confirm the selling, let it break this level. Yeah, so that's for USD CHF. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. What do we have? Let's go to 4 hours. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are looking for the 5th wave. Once we get the 5th wave, then then we look for an A, B, C. Then the selling continues. So for now, we're looking to get the 5th wave. Or possibly, this might be, here might be wave 4. And here might be wave 5. Then here is wave 3. It's possible this is the count. Then this is an A, B, C. The selling will continue. Anyway, in any case, the bottom line is that I'm not looking for buying now. I'm only looking for selling. Okay, I'm only looking for selling on pounds USD. Let me check 1 hour. 1 hour and 4 hours, no difference. We have 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4. So now, if you are willing to sell the wave, the 5th wave, you can see join the selling. If you get the 82 pullback, here is the invalidation. Okay, here is it. Or anyway, here is the real invalidation. Okay, so that is it. If you get a pullback, you can join the sell and sell down towards this level, 1.8, 1.19 anyway, and below. Okay, AUD USD. AUD USD. I'm looking for sell. I don't have reason to to buy it now. To me, WXYXZ. Even if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least it will give us an ABC. So in any case, we are looking for sell. If this is wave A, then this is wave B, then it will give us wave C. So in any case, it is a sell one bias it's have. The bias is selling. Okay. Return the USD. The same thing. We are looking for sell. AUD USD and USD are the same thing. If you're selling it, it's still good because the confirmation zone here is the confirmation for the selling. Okay, but for the experienced, those who have much experience might have entered maybe around here, around here, but the main zone is let it break this low, then you can now sell. Okay, JP 225. JP 225. I'm looking for, okay, let me show you daily. I can show you this daily because of the possibility of the price getting lower. Okay, if you watch JP 225, it's good in making sharp moves. All these moves are sharp. So another sharp move down is not ruled out. So let's go to 4 hours. But one thing we are sure of, even if it went to go up, it will give us a deep correction, at least to this level, or even to 1.8. So expect selling. But how deep it will be, I don't know. We need to come here, I don't know yet. But I know it's gonna contact this 38.2 before it will go back up, or it will continue going down. EUR JPY. EUR JPY. The EUR JPY have some need is somehow difficult to trade now because of the structure it is making. You know, not every trade you will take. Some trade is better left alone. Not every trade you will take. So, but let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, what we are looking at is either the price come to this channel and go up, or it will break this channel. And if you count waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5 waves, and this is enough an A, B, C. So if that is the case, it means we are going to sell down to this level, at least 135.7 or even deeper. So, and now I don't have anything to buy pound EUR JPY. I can only think of buying when price goes above this level. That's when I can think of buying. So let me take a look at 1 hour to know whether I will see something there. Now 1 hour, you can see this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 is a clear wave, 5 waves down. Now, what we have is, can we have a simple ABC, which you see the price keep going down from here? Or are we going to get a prolonged, like A, B, C, W, then another A, B, C, X, another A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well, W, X, Y. So for now, I will prefer to sell if I get a nice correction than to buy. No reason to buy for now for EUR JPY, pounds JPY, USD JPY, even JP 225. No reason to buy now. So, but let's go to USD JPY. What do we have there? It's a situation we have on JP. We have on yen pairs. The structure is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me just go down to 1 hour. The structure is showing us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pure 5 waves. And we can see A, B, C, which is a nice one for buying. But looking at the structure, it seems it's doing something different. Now, the possibility of wave B coming higher is there because we can get A, B, C, D, E. What we call expanding triangle can happen. So let's keep watching. Maybe you leave it and focus on other pairs. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. What do we have there? It's forming a triangle. So now the simple thing here is that I prefer selling it when it broke this zone. So buying will only be meaningful when price goes above this level. So above 159.96 is when I can think of buying. So but below 157.6, it is safe. Okay. So below this level is when we can sell. So let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. So gold is selling. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking for an ABC. When I get an ABC, I will sell. I will sell gold. So nothing to show much on gold. So even if the 4 hours, you can still sell. After this prolonged buying, it's beginning to drop. Silver, the same situation. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking for an ABC. Whether it will be deep or not, I don't know. But for now, when I see ABC, I will know. Then the selling will continue. Platinum is where I don't see reason to sell again because it seems it is almost at the reversal zone. So platinum, I prefer to buy when price goes above this level. I prefer to buy platinum. We can, if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So nothing to sell again on platinum. And you see this golden box have been there. Wait for price to drop it to reverse. So US oil, US oil, US oil. We have some little price difficulty in oil, except it is making let me zoom in small. Oil is making WSYXZ. That's the only thing that makes meaning in oil. And if you remember, for the past weeks, I'm telling you, oil will go below 60 or even below 50. So now I don't have much to say on oil other than this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. So it will keep going down. If you go down to 1 hour, you can see an ABC, which will complete soon. And as long as it didn't go above this, above 83, then it will continue to sell. Okay. US 100. US 100. Now that's Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I'm looking for price to give me this more drop. ABCWXY, more drop before I will now know whether it is buy or not. So that's for Nasdaq. So nothing much to discuss this week. Bitcoin, I shared the chart with my subscribers. Bitcoin is going lower. You can see we have A, B, C, W, X. So we get, once we get X, we get Y. So Bitcoin is coming down to 20,400 or even 19,800. So get ready for Bitcoin to drop more. And after this drop, it will go back to 35,000, 40,000, and so on. So that's all I can give you this week. So I'm ending this video. Like, share, subscribe, and ask a question. Join our Telegram channel. It's free. God bless you. Bye.